Very, very, very good evening, everyone. How is Raheja doing this evening? Isn't this splendid? We lucked out. Bombay में outdoor में अपने society के comfort में we are getting to enjoy an evening like this. We are blessed that in a society like ours we have immense talent. Talents that allows us to kind of ये तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. Talent that allows us and gives us confidence to put together something of this scale, right? It's a blessing, it's a privilege, it's something not everyone can say they have an opportunity to enjoy. While all of us can bring in a lot of love, a lot of positive energy, good vibes, and all of that, there is also a commercial side to things. Commerce moves things, and that's also an important part of life. I can say this confidently and humbly on behalf of the entire Voices of Raheja team that there were a select few people, organizations who helped power these dreams. Over my career, I'm a firm believer that partnerships power progress. वो हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, साथ है तो बात है. And वही साथ हमारा दिया गया some select companies who I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge today. Number one on that list is 360 ONE. 360 ONE is a financial firm that's a leader in what they do. I know them for 14 years now, and I know the quality, the standard, the commitments that they stand for. More importantly, for me, this moment, it's essential that we recognize them because this is not a televised show. This is not a glamour event. This is not an event where you're going to get media coverage. But what it does give us is community, authenticity, and good, pure energy. So for companies like these to take a step forward and participate and say, okay, go, make the dreams happen, make that evening happen for the entire complex, deserves a big round of applause. Also, something that I truly believe, and I'm blessed to be in this space now for over 2 decades of doing entertainment and live experiences. Something that I want to implore all of you guys is for us to be able to continue doing these kind of events across all the various committees. We have a bunch of phenomenal concepts in the society, whether it's sports, whether it's IQ, whether it's music, the whole shebang, right? It's our responsibility or our endeavor to make sure that we make it a win-win for all. You're going to see more of these guys in the next couple of weeks, and I hope you guys can come and participate in their sessions with equal love and support. But before I take any more of your time, I want to invite on stage 2 special people. First, Mr. Ritesh Rainchwar, Area Head West for 360 ONE, and along with him, Vinay Goel from 360 ONE. Both of these guys are stalwarts in this space. They've been in the financial circuit for over 2 decades, and I'm going to hand over the mic for them to be able to address you guys.
Thanks, Dev.
Well, thank you so much for inviting us to this event. And let me say that first of all, amazing talent. जितने भी performances अभी तक हुए, thank you so much for that. एक बार सुन के लगता है कि वॉइस ऑफ रहेजा है तो लोग नॉर्मल गा लेते होंगे, but trust me, the singing talent which you guys have, it's phenomenal. Thank you so much for entertaining. And events like these show that how important family and such events are, where everybody can meet each other, talk to each other. Otherwise, daily काम में सब अपने अपने busy होते हैं. So thank you so much for inviting us. And Ritesh, over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Very, very happy and proud to associate with Voice of Raheja Season 4. And I think this is just a beginning. And I think miles to go from here onwards. Thank you so much for being a partner and invited us here. And look forward to many such events. And we'll be very, very happy to associate with you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It takes vision and diligence to get to where you are today. as you scale newer heights. Your wealth too deserves the same singular focus of expertise. The Reserve, where your wealth will be guided by a performance-based approach, unique wealth strategies, deep research, access to exclusive investments, relationship management powered by tech, and a cutting-edge app that offers 3 ways to invest, so that you get wealth management that's custom built around your unique journey. Because success deserves a legacy. The Reserve, a customized wealth management program from 361 Wealth.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. May I again invite both the gentlemen and Nandini as well. Nandini, for your understanding, is the heart, soul, and the brainchild for putting all of this together. Please accept a small token of appreciation for all the opportunities you created, the opportunities that you lit up. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to give the mic over to Nandini for her to continue the conversation.
There's also one more very special team we'd like to thank today and acknowledge, our skill partner, RTM Academy. Thank you to RTM Academy for supporting music education, nurturing talent, a perfect alignment with the spirit of this event. I'd like to invite Chirayu and Akarshini from Team RTM to say a few words.
So very good evening, everybody. My name is Chirayu Parekh, and I represent this brand called RTM Academy. First of all, great shout out to Dev, Nandini and Satish. They came to RTM Academy and we thought it's the perfect integration of Voice of Raheja Season 4 and RTM Academy coming together. RTM Academy is a one-on-one online music education platform. We teach music online. And as a part of it, I think, this is the best part of us going to communities and giving a platform. And we truly appreciate the talent that we see today. I know there are a lot of aspiring music learners. In case, you want to try to invest more time towards music learning for yourself or for your kids, check out RTM Academy. We have a stand there and I'm sitting right here. So, super job, great job guys. Thank you.
I'd like to take a moment over here. I think for us, RTM Academy is a perfect synergy, right? The hope is to inculcate, to empower, and give opportunities to aspirations. And while one side we look at F&B, we look at experience, we look at production, there's also something that's most important is the soul. And we are hopeful that with this journey, with this partnership, we can propel this VOR journey, have more enthusiastic participation year on year, and make it an evening to remember. Thank you once again. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए.